Sarah, have you noticed how smoothly our operations have been running since we implemented lean manufacturing principles?
Absolutely, Mary. It's made a world of difference. But I think it's important we explain why lean manufacturing is so crucial for our medium-scale operation.
You're right. Let's break it down. Today we want to talk about something that's transformed the way we work here, lean manufacturing. It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer for us.
Lean manufacturing is all about optimizing our processes to be more efficient and productive.
When we reduce waste, whether it's in materials, time, or energy, we save resources and money.
That's right. And it's not just about saving money, it's about delivering better products to our customers. When we reduce waste, we can focus on improving quality, which leads to happier customers and repeat business.
Lean manufacturing also involves empowering our team members.
It's about giving you the tools and training you need to make decisions and improve our processes continually.
And when we involve our team, we unlock their creativity and expertise. This collaborative spirit leads to better problem-solving and innovation. We're not just workers, we're problem solvers and innovators.
Lean manufacturing also helps us respond faster to changes in the market. It allows us to be more flexible and adapt to new customer demands or market conditions.
Right, and that's crucial in today's dynamic business environment. By being agile, we stay competitive and ensure our long-term success.
In summary, lean manufacturing is about efficiency, quality, empowerment, and adaptability. It's not just a set of tools, it's a mindset, a culture that can make a huge difference in your medium-scale manufacturing operation.
Let's work smarter, not harder, and deliver the best products to our customers. Contact us now to discover how you can start your journey to excellence.